How to easily crop a photo into a circle for free on iPhone or Android. Suppose if you are on the Instagram and add any story, then here you can tap on the sticker icon at top of the screen and choose any photo by selecting the photo sticker here. As you can see, I have already second photo inserted on this image, so you can simply tap in this way and make this image circle. So this is one of the way that you can easily crop a photo into a circle for free. But let me inform you that your phone won't let you do with the built-in tools, but you can use safe and free website. For that you just need to google the circle crop, and you need to tap on the first link. Here you need to scroll down and tap on upload image and easily upload any image of your choice. So once you have uploaded the image, you just have to drag where you want the circle to go with your finger. In this way you can maximize or minimize the circle and reposition it as well. After you have done that, you just need to tap on crop circle, and once you have done, you need to tap on download image, and the file has already been downloaded and you can save it to your gallery or wherever you want. So this way you can easily crop a photo into a circle for free on iPhone and Android. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.